How many kids y'all have?
Two.
2 kids, and your oldest son is how?
16.
16. Blessings.
Yes, sir.
Come on, right here. Come on. Blessings.
My baby.
Is he at that stage where like he feel like he feeling himself a little bit? Because I got a 17-year-old and I be ready to
beating
knock
off and
his
everything.
head.
Don't you
I
talk
think
about my baby
mine
like
be
that.
beating off too. The lotion be missing.
My young boy is savage.
Like it be little
Listen,
things.
if he anything like his daddy,
Like, Mom, I hate you right now.
I got you, Pops.
if he anything like his daddy,
I got you, Pops. My baby ain't doing nothing.
What's wrong with beating off?
exactly.
It ain't that. It's something
Is
wrong
it
with
something wrong with
beating
beating
off.
off?
You don't want
It's
to
like
thinking about your parents knowing
you don't want to
That's some mom shit. Dad, I'm in there like
I'm still
You
beating
don't
off.
want to hear my kid.
I see little crazy napkins again.
Yeah, napkins in the garbage. You better clean those up. It be the lotion by the bed.
She still get mad when I beat her.
Yeah.
I ain't stopped yet.
Yeah, who started you like that's a never-ending thing for me.
Sometimes you want to be selfish with that
Exactly.
nut.
That's a fact.
Let me get that. I don't want to share this.
You want all of that. I'm like,
I don't want it for me.
you was asleep. I didn't want to
I don't
wake
play that
you.
shit. I don't play that shit with that.
I think that's a little disrespectful. If she's there and then you.
So
How
what?
am I ignorant? It's a woman thing. Like,
don't do it
if
while
I'm here,
We arguing, Palmer
that's
was getting it.
That's
Not right next to me though. Like,
Right.
Oh,
go
no,
to
no,
another
no, she's
route.
not comfortable because then she catching me. I need to be in the bathroom.
So I got a question though.
Why are we talking?
So-
I'm like, we're already here. This part of the conversation.
Oh shit!
we going. What Dave Chappelle said, we going all the way.
We're going all the way. Listen, so give him a drink too. Yo, listen. Do you consider that cheating if he on the porn site? You know,
I don't think it's
because some people would feel like it's cheating.
I don't think it's cheating, but I just find it to be disrespectful if I'm in the room because I don't turn down a dick. So it's no reason.
Is that so?
It's no reason for you to
Resort to that, like.
But what if he got a favorite like Tiana Trump or something? And every time you turn around, he on her site. Like,
he don't let me. He be like,
Here's the real
I can't
question.
see, so I don't know.
Here's
So
the
you guys
real
never watched porn
question.
together?
No.
Nah.
Listen, she used
not her
to
thing.
break my look. I used to be on my DVD shit. She used to break my DVDs.
But
I
here's
got
the real
caught one
question:
day, dick in
can
hand.
she do
She
that?
like,
Is it okay if she do
I don't
that?
mind. I don't mind. That's her. Listen. Let me tell you something, man. I'm a beat off to the end of time. I'm letting you know that.
Not to the end of
To
time.
the end of time.
It's different.